Let's see this question. Let's solve this question. This is Harvard question. Okay. The question says 5 raised to the power of 6 divided by x equals to minus 1. We have to find x. If you look at this question, we cannot solve this question with indices method, or we can solve it using log form. The reason is this: if you look at the base here, it is positive, which is 5. Then the result is giving a negative value, which in positive with any real index can never give a negative value. So what we are going to do here is we are going to apply what is called Euler's equation or Euler's identity. So let's start with the question. We have 5 raised to the power of 6 over x equals to minus 1. Then what is Euler identity? The Euler identity says that if you have e raised to the power of I into pi plus 2 pi k is equals to 1. Okay, equals to minus 1. Sorry. So you are going to apply this identity here. So if we apply that, we are going to have 5 raised to the power of 6 over x equals to e raised to the power of I into pi plus 2 pi k. Now we can write this in index form. So we write this in index form. We are going to have e raised to the power of 5 with the power of what? 6 over x, which is equal to e raised to the power of I into pi plus 2 pi k. Then we can rewrite this by saying e, if you apply the power rules, we have 5, 6 over x in what? In 5. Apply the log in 5 equals to e raised to the power of I pi plus 2 pi k. Then if you look at the two sides, the base are equal, so we can easily cancel out. So what do we have next? We have 6 divided by x in 5 equals to I into pi plus 2 pi k. Okay, let's write this as a fraction over 1. Okay, from here now I can easily cross multiply. Okay, let me cross multiply. If I cross multiply, this will multiply this, so we are going to have x times I into pi plus 2 pi k equals to 6 in 5 times 1. We have 6 in 5 times 1. So if you multiply this, so we have I x into pi plus 2 pi k equal to 6 in 5. So what we do next here, to have our value of x, we divide both sides by I pi plus 2 pi k. This also I pi plus 2 pi k. Okay, so this cancel this. Okay, then we have our x to be equals to, we can write this as 1 over, now let me just say 1 times 6 in 5 divided by I times pi plus 2 pi k. So recall that 1 over I is equal to minus 1. So we apply that. So we are going to have x to be equal to I divided by 1 divided by I. That gives us minus 1 times 6 in 5 divided by pi plus 2 pi k. So if you multiply this now, we have our x to be equal to, that is minus 1 times this will give us minus 6 in 5. Then divide by something is common, something common in the denominator, that's pi. Pi into pi divided by pi, that's 1, plus 2 pi k divided by pi, we have what? 2k. That is the final answer. So it means our answer is going to give us minus 6 in 5 divided by pi into 1 plus 2k. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.